Shakara. Hey, Shadabadam.
Share. Mumpeo, you be bar.
Oi, another classic. Father baby.
It's candy beats.
Kyinkyinaa Twan. Yakwe. Shakala. Bagala. Shakala. Bagala. Munjami. Shakala. Bagala. Shakala. Bagala. Munjami.
So what's so to na buru anyo buru so what to na buru ha so to na buru so to na buru ha
I did a boss on. Hey,
let me say, ointment to be one mammy strong half mammy to choose why.
Ointment. Now, when I did a passage, I saw what the course was an answer to Calaba no more motion. Every tomorrow.
Meant to me.
Yeah, sure. That's answered Dumpimas and the Infeniago. So, when I did here, left and right. Oui. Yo.
Let me try. Let me.
Yo. You would if I call about no to do penny to my way. Huh? Eh, wow, could to be an answer soon. I didn't a boss one, I say.
Me drive away and I make what them. And I patronage me.
You see.
It's your feeling wants me to my way.
Would any appearance, but I mean, as a many wants me to be a brother. Now, I with a cafra,
Mattia. About your mentor.
I mentioned the base here. Cafra.
About your mentor, why?
Shakala. Bagala. Shakala. Bagala. Munjami. Come up, where you take a car, not the fair for swat and one on better white. Oh, why won't me? I never mean far up in your man. kafra o kafra. Yeah, yeah, by me. Oh, Kakranka Crabco, Eberco.
Honey, what is that going on? Young one, what is the time that you doing?
What's in the 9 years? I was in front of me.
No, come back! What's in the 9 years? Why you do? Instead of you to sit in front of her to make this thing.
Sit in front of what? I don't know not doing Yana.
Honey, what is happening to you?
Nigeria former papa.
It's just further, eh? Yeah. Oh, sorry. And then allow me to come.
I'm just helping your wife and you are
You're just helping her.
I'm helping her.
He told you to help her. He told you?
She asked me to help her.
I did, because it pains me, please.
That thing they pay her. The pain is too much.
It's okay. Don't touch it. Me myself, I will touch it. Don't worry about it.
Can you do it?
I will do it.
Can you do it?
No. Honey.
Can you do it?
It's okay. I will do it for you. And let's go inside.
This is my job.
This is not your job.
It's my job. Let me help you.
No, don't do
Hey,
it.
Master, let me help her. Let me help her. Can you help her?
It's my fault to help. Hey.
Oh!
Hey.
Let me help the girl before the girl
Honey,
helps.
why you have problem with this man? And then why is... It's for me. The water is for me. Give it to me. Go and buy
Okay, it's for you.
Yes, it's for me.
See, go and buy yours.
Honey, let's go. Please, I don't want to talk too much.
Most sorry, I can't tell myself, Mumwale, and Yansa for Amkazi, I am
Let me go to you.
I boil of one tishy, what country I want to ask. We have treatment. May wow and a honey. Maybe so. I want to go around for a while.
Baby, you know only you can't even.
Let me go.
Oh, manager.
I mentioned about this.
Nigeria, this happened. That's Nigeria, Diba.
Sorry. Where are you going? Stay back.
Oh, manager. Eh, Bengueba. Share. I don't want to. Welcome, Master. Oh, no, Nigeria, if Nigeria, ba, Abenya Ghana, ni ba, papa, and then again.
Young man, don't go stay there. See, please.
Hey.
In your outfit like this, I don't want you to see you again. What this nonsense you have done again?
Don't do what?
I come to this house. I don't have a problem with you. We stay this house. Peace and love.
I think you don't have sense. Yes, I'm telling you the facts. If you have sense, you will know how to talk to me. You should have asked me what's going on. Why are you touching my wife's knee? And I will tell you, your wife needs a help. Me at my place, and your wife call me. Please, I need an ointment. I want to do something. My leg is paying me. Then I brought her the ointment, and she said, "Oh, please help me. I have problem. I cannot do it. So help me do it for me."
And then why you didn't tell that girl say you should stop? If your husband come, you go do it. After you need it, you want to make friends with that girl, eh?
I say
you know to have
Waka. If you take one, I take one.
Hey.
You are friends. Let's stop fighting. You be Nigerian man, I be Ghana man. We are all one.
House. I don't want to maybe create that problem.
Yes.
Yes, I know. So anybody will go touch him.
Yes. It's true. It's true. I know you love her. And me too, I can never do such a thing. Yes. Your wife is my sister. Yeah. So I can never do any bad thing to her.
Okay, you tell her.
Just a help. I'm helping her like my own sister.
Oh, really?
Yes. Now that's a reason. Why, Jimmy? What do you mean answer?
I have in my mind the thing say, somebody touched my gully.
Oh no.
It was nothing away from me. That is exactly
Your
because
wife.
the girl, when the Ghana people say, I bought a hookah.
What bon hookah?
So I don't want
You
to.
have been invest in her.
Exactly.
Much and much.
Yes.
Yes.
So
and the
anybody
girl
will
too
come.
love you much.
Okay.
She always tell me.
Okay, he
that,
tell you.
yes. That she love you.
really?
You are the bottom of her heart.
Oh, really?
You are the only man she love.
Hey.
She says you have a big jungle. You do the thing jolly. And then she
Tell you all this.
Yes. She said your
No,
waist,
that one she
your
will not
waist,
tell you.
your waist is too much powerful.
Okay,
You
you
do
know,
hard work.
And sometimes, maybe we've been through it.
Then you hire lawyer. Let me teach you one thing. One medicine called Tabia Takum.
Okay.
Try it.
I should try it.
A very powerful medicine. Tabia
My
Takum.
waist.
Your waist.
My waist.
You go chop like you are chopping Kelewele.
Man, well, I am now. So I'm going there. So
Okay,
later
no
we go
problem,
talk,
no
right?
Okay, I think you like the tin match.
And just me pedodo.
Oh, pedodo.
No, me pedodo.
She won her morning. She won her afternoon. She won her evening. I eat the night too.
Okay, bye.
Nigeria knew me when I know a comedian in Nigeria. Why Jimmy too? Nigeria knew why Jimmy said, "You will be Daniel Franka now, or baby, or befa. Kawashi away. Yo, boy. How are you? How are you now? Yo.